I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and data safety. Charge to at least 50%, back up your important files, and confirm the exact model and build. Once done, enable developer options and OEM unlock if visible in settings. This prevents lockouts later. Connect a reliable USB cable to your PC, then power off the device. Press and hold the key combo to enter download mode. This is the critical doorway for firmware flash operations. Now you perform the flash. Open Odin on your computer and verify the device is recognized with an ID, COM port. Load firmware files into their match slots, BL, App, CP, CSC. Choose Home CSC if you want to preserve user data, otherwise use CSC to factory reset. Uncheck Auto Reboot and avoid repartition unless you have a PIT file and know what it does. Click Start and watch the log for fail indicators. Let the process finish without interrupting the cable or power. After flashing, allow the phone to reboot naturally. First boot may take several minutes while partitions settle. Once you see the setup screen, confirm the firmware version and baseband match the files you installed, and test calls, Wi-Fi, and sensors. If the device enters a boot loop or fails to start, power down and attempt a recovery mode wipe of cache and data only if needed. If problems persist, reflash the complete firmware package or try an earlier stable build to restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.